Morning everyone. It's like our second or third day I think. Well, we can't count the first one because it was night time when we got it. But yeah, walking to the shop to get some bug spray. One thing to know about Bali, a lot of mosquitoes. It's lovely, but a lot of mosquitoes. So we're leaving this villa today. We're going to Ubud, and that's another villa, but that's like, I think it's like a bit in the jungle. So Gemma's paranoid, go and get some bug spray. Alright, you can phone it with Grab, but I'll just have a walk, see what it's like, show you what the streets are like. Well, these are like all the back streets. It's mad, you'd never find your way around here. It's like all little alleyways and everything, it's mad. So I'm gonna walk up to the supermarket and bring it on over. And she wants to go to, I'm not sure if it's a swing today. There's a few things what she's picked. So one of them's like a big swing. Another one's called Gate to Heaven, I think it is. What else was it? Oh, waterfall. No, sorry, I'm lying to you. It's the waterfall today. So we're going to head up to the villas where we're staying. That's like an hour and 10-minute drive. Guess how much that's cost? £14.90 for an hour and 10-minute drive. So cheap here, it's unreal. So we've got that, and then once we've done that, dropped our bags off, we're going to go to the waterfall, have a bit of time at the waterfall, and then back to the hotel, chill out there for the day, because it's lovely. They're dead nice, the villas, and they're so cheap. Like this villa what we're going up to today, I'll show you, £130 a night. Now I know it's quite a lot of money, but compared to what it is, it's not. You'd probably pay £100 for a travel lodge at home, you know, on a weekend or something. This one you've got the villa to yourself, and then we're staying there for 2 nights, and then we'll go to another villa after that. That one we've got for £80 a night, and that's a full, is it a 2 or 3 bedroom villa? It's bananas, the prices. So cheap, it's mind-boggling how cheap it is. It just makes you aware of how much you're getting overcharged at home. So yeah, that's us for the day. We're going to get packed up, get up there. So I'll see you later. I'll just come out there, Coco Mart. Spent the money. Mike was talking the other day about the coins. Got a 500 coin. Well, you can see it if it's clear. It feels like it's plastic. I don't know what it is, if it's metal or what, but it feels super light. Feels like plastic, feels like a toy coin, you know, like where you get in a kid's play set. Proper light. Anyway, you're gonna head back now. We've got my bug spray. Oh, to the roads. Busy here, mega busy. Come. Across yet? Busy as fuck. Get across quick. Oh, talk about busy. Wow, wait. Go around this way. You think Thailand roads are busy? Gotten out on these. Really busy, these roads. Like I said in the other videos, I said I didn't mind driving in Thailand because the roads are they're alright in the city. It gets a bit busy in that, but yeah, I wouldn't even risk it. I was talking to a taxi driver yesterday because they're always beeping the horn, and in Thailand they do it, but not so much as here. So I said to him, why do you beep the horn? And he said, oh, it's loads of things. So he's explained to me, so it's like it's got its own language. So the beep to let you out, They beep to thank you. If there's a motorbike in front, he said we beep to let them know that we're there, just in case, because they don't indicate. He said, so if you know that they're going to pull in, we'll beep to let them know, right, you can pull in. He said, oh yeah, and then you've got your beep if you see your friend. I said, oh God. I said, when you're at home, if anyone beeps at you, it means you're in trouble. We just started laughing. But yeah, I wouldn't like driving on these roads. So I'm for the price of it as well, there's no point. Just get a taxi, let them take you. There you go, beep beep. If you can get across here safe. No road crossings here. Down the road the wrong way. Fucking mad. Thailand's like that though. No, don't want a taxi, get moving. Halfway there now, halfway across. Fucking hell, blind bend. Might be my last vlog this if I don't get across this road. Jesus. Oh, I've got to go. There's my jab. He's across, he's across. Live to vlog another day. So, like I say, these are like the back streets. The people here seem nice enough. I'll let on, I'll smile. Just gotta watch out for them driving past on mopeds grabbing your bags, that's what I've heard. I don't know. You get trouble everywhere, don't you? Lots of land. There's a lot of buildings here that's just wrecked and derelict though. It's a shame. But I was having a look and they're not cheap. Like if you go to Samui, you can pick up a lot of land for like 30 grand. Couldn't see anything like that here. I don't know whether that's for sale. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I'll just give you a quick tour of the Alindra Villas where we've stayed. Lovely this place. If anyone's planning on coming to Bali, have a look for this place. It's close to Kuta, so you're not far out. It's like a 10-15 minute drive in. It's nice and quiet. It's not on the beach, but it's a lovely hotel. Like the stonework and everything's amazing. Even just to come here and have a look at the place is amazing. So I'll give you a quick walk around now. This is like the entrance to the place. I know people like to see before they come to somewhere, so give a little tour. We've got all like the single villas. This is like the main swimming area. I think you can rent all these bungalows as well. We just got the room because we was only staying in a couple of nights, but if you're coming on a holiday, it's lovely. The pool's lovely. It's quite deep, that pool as well. It's about 4.5 foot deep. You've got the 2 jacuzzis. They've actually got a spa there as well where you can go in, you can get all your treatments and all that done, but we've not had time to do it. I'm not keen on touchy-feely stuff anyway, even this Gemma, so get my feet done, that's about it. And then you come through. You can go all the way around. I'll just show you these are the new ones what's being built. I don't think they're finished yet. I think they open up soon. Like these are the single villas. Morning. Any finished? Are they finished? Can I have a look? Can I look round? Oh no. No, no problem. Yeah. Yeah, speaking to a gentleman yesterday, I think it's his place he was showing us. Here they are. They're awake. So this is the main area. What do you want, Chicky? I went through there yesterday. I'll show you that in there because that's like the double villa, the 2-bedroom villa. It's absolutely lovely in there. It's not a bad little walk up there to the shop. Yeah. It's got the bug spray and some water. What? They didn't have any. Just didn't have any, my love. And then you come down here. And yeah, these are like the single villas as well, but I think they're all full. Oh, absolutely amazing, lovely place, massive as well. It's deceiving from where it is. You drive down like an alleyway. You'd never think to find this place. Must be like the back entrance in. But I mean, we paid £30 a night. You can't moan at that. I think the 2-bedroom villas are £150 a night, but you get your own private pool in them. And we had some food here. Nice. If you come in here, try a Balinese coffee. Swimming pool rules, regulations.
How much is that?
500 rupiah. So this is our room, the terracotta suite. You can see we've slept in it, so it's a bit scruffy. Pardon the mess. But you get a safe in the cupboard. Hopefully it's not screwed in very securely. Should be screwed to the wall, but you've got like your bathroom. For the bathroom, you get 2 of everything: 2 showers, 2 toilets, 2 sinks. You get robes and that kind of stuff, and they give you a box full of things to use, like cotton buds and that. We've used all them. So for £30 a night, you can't moan. So it's quite central. I've just walked to the shop. The shop's nearby and everything. They do nice food. What more could you ask for?
Right, can you shut up yapping and I'll just get this down now? Please don't play it a minute.
Yeah. So, Halindra Villa. Enjoyed it? Good. We just booked our taxi and it's come to, what do they say? How much was the taxi? Yeah. So £15.9 to drive an hour and 10 minutes.
Cost me that to go from Whitefield to the dentist.
You know not to do stuff like that, don't you?
I buy tolkat bus ya.
Sorry?
I buy tolkat bus.
No problem.
But not balance.
Off to Ubud. Excited. Yay.
Yeah,
Same.
sweat on.
You got sweat on carrying the bags? Bloody ton.
Wow. Drip it off.
Raving. Not today.
Raving our back out on the way to Google. So the taxi driver has just got out. What's he doing?
You've got to have a top-up card apparently, you know, to go through like, not so much checkpoints, like, what do they call where you pay? Toll booths, yeah. So he's got a little card and he's got to go and top it up. So obviously Ubud's like an hour and 10 minutes away. There's probably a few, so he says, oh, I'm sorry, I've not got enough balance on my card, so he's just gone to top up. That's what I mean, I wouldn't like driving on the roads here. Just crazy.
Okay, I'll get it.
So today is apparently the luckiest day of the year. The Lion's Gate is open and you can manifest whatever you want. Hang on.
Pizza bread.
I just tried to manifest a Domino pizza, but it didn't come. What are you manifesting, Max?
Nothing. My game.
Pickles for breakfast.
Manifesting a high score on Subway Surfer. Oh well.
Better at talking.
You are better than me, son, yeah. So we just got to our villas. Look at this Nice little view. Can go through because we're at number 9. Bit of a mix up there. I think booking.com haven't confirmed it very well. Hello. Thank you very much.
Yep.
Oh, lovely these. So I've just had a little tour of the hotel complex here. This place is unreal. So what's this cost? I think this was £130 for 2 nights, right? Let's go. So you've got your door. Exploring. Right, so let's start inside first. So there's your outside shower. You've got like an outside shower bathroom. This is what you want when you come to Bali. Let's go outside. Let's have a look on the veranda. What's outside? You've got your own Balinese bed. Got a small plunge pool. And then you've got the pool that runs the length. So obviously we have the floating breakfast here, and then you can swim down, and the restaurant's at the end. Not bad for 130 quid. Oh, and we've got the upstairs as well. Let's go and have a quick look upstairs. It's nice. Where are you going, in the pool?
Ready to go and see?
Let's go and have a look
You got a
upstairs.
bog roll outside.
Bog roll.
Ready to see the life of mice? The life of the
Well,
ice.
this is my bedroom. I don't know where you two are staying.
The life of the ice.
Wowee. Look at this.
How much was this night?
130 quid for 2 nights. Not bad. That's a view from the balcony. Beats Premier Inn, doesn't it? Wow. This place is mega. So what we've said as well, we can have the floating breakfast, which is 100,000. So it's like £5 for a floating breakfast. You do that in any other hotel. Most places where we went in Thailand, they wanted like 40 quid for doing it. So how can you moan at that? So he just said, I'll check if your breakfast's included in the price. I said, it doesn't matter if it's not, just put it on anyway for a tenner for 2 breakfasts. So they're going to come and let us know in a bit. Do we want Indonesian breakfast or American style? I said, do you not got English style? Wow. But yeah, this is lovely. This'll do. Slumming it in Bali.
No, we're really having to rough it, aren't we?
Oh wow.
I thought it was just the downstairs. I didn't know it was upstairs.
That's what I said to you, it's the villa. And then, this is like the 2-bedroom villa, I think it was classed as. And then they've got a family suite, which was more expensive, but I don't think you got the
I
2
don't feel
floors.
anything, it was more of a...
Yeah, it's more like an
yeah.
upstairs one, so... Well, I might be getting it wrong, it might be just their website's not that easy to understand. They've come like, how can you moan at this? So I think we're just going to head down to the restaurant now, because I'm absolutely starving, we're not eating this morning. I'll do a fun bit of room service. Bit of room service, eh? We'll see what it's like in room
Get that
service.
bottle of
but
wine open.
don't think so. Well, I wonder if it's the
How
same
much is
price.
it?
I don't know. 325,000. So you're looking at 15 quid a bottle? Gee, there. Cheaper in Thailand. Bloody hell. Phuket. Expensive there. So we're going to have a quick swim and we'll see you on the next bit.
Bye-bye.
So this is like the pool that's in between all the rooms. And then you've got like, this is like a little viewpoint.
Viewpoint.
Yeah.
There. That's the viewpoint. Ooh, that's nice down there, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Well, like we said, this is a bit further out. This is Ubud. There's lots of things to do, but obviously we're not up high, so you've got the forest.
I think that's the jungle.
Go on then, let's see scuba. That's not a scuba. That's the dolphin dive. So Gemma's put a waterfall on the list where she wanted to go.
Yeah, no, I did want to go, but it wasn't the main
So
one.
we've
I
come
thought
here.
it was coming the main one.
It's the wrong one. It's always an adventure with Gemma.
It's not, I did have this one on the list, but the other one was the main one.
What's this one called?
I don't know. That one.
Teganoonan, hope that's right anyway. Well, we've just got halfway down the stairs and it's not what we expected. It's a bit of a... We've got a bit of a nightclub going on down there. Did you reserve a table? Did you reserve a pool bed? Wow. So, we've come to the wrong waterfall, but it looks like a good one. I'll push Max in, aren't we?
No.
I'm sinking down here, Jem. Wow.
Didn't want to go in there.
You didn't pick it, you were a liar, I did. I just pretended. The building's all the woodwork. You've got like a little bit inside here where you can just chill out. It's got all that tools. Mad, isn't it? Where do I go then? Up there? Up that way, you go to the big waterfall. Go on, we're going that way. Huh, mad, isn't it? You got the big club up the top here, but I'm on the swing up there. It's like a big kids' playground. Getting in. Who's going first? Oh, go on then. Go on then. Go up the plank. Come on, Gemma. Go on, take your time. Go in. You're going on your own, yeah? Oh, it's like Bear Grylls tackle that, isn't it? Hey! You walk the plank, walk the plank. Get off me. She's making me go in first. Good on you, love. I hope it's nice and cold. Oh man, that's freezing. Come on, swim to me. Come on. Swim, swim.
Oh, kind of
Ready? Come on, let's go and get our picture. Oh, hold on to me, hold on to me. Woo. Come on there, tricky won't come in, will you? You've got some pictures, haven't I? Look at that, eh? Oh, that's crazy. Be prepared for an obstacle course when you come down here. Fucking hell, it's mental. The bridges are the best. We're just going to have a walk up now to see the top of the waterfall. Come on, get up there, get up there. What? Have a minute, what do you mean have a minute? That'll puff? Max, come here, build a little statue. So we're going up to the second waterfall now. Same waterfall, but second waterfall.
Same.
Yeah, so you get stung another 20,000 rupees. Same but different. Look at this. So they let Max go for free. Not bad. At least they didn't charge him this time. They charged him for the first one. But yeah. Oh, what danger rocks. Got a picture there?
Yeah, I want Max to take pictures.
Oh god.
I don't want Max up there actually.
Danger rocks, Sam.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, you have to sit here, mate. Okay.
We'll have to sit here and guard the bag, okay?
Is that alright? So we paid a bit extra and we get to put our lives at risk. Yeah, scary up here. Sign there, don't jump. Bloody hell. Some idiot probably has done and didn't live to tell the tale. So we're just going to have a quick look up here. They've got a club here. It's crazy, this place. Oh. Made out of all bamboo. Well, this is at the top of the waterfall and they've got one on the other side. So we're going to have a walk up and get a couple of drinks. So Daredevil's going on the ropes, ring of death. 200,000 to have a go on that. Works out 11 quid. Are you sweating, love?
No?
No, I'd be sweating.
Probably will be when I get down.
Away from that edge, you. Tell you what, with kids, everything's edges up here. Look, there's no barriers or anything. All he hears all day is get away from the edge, stay away from the edge. So that's I'll have to read it out. Teganungan Waterfall. Enjoy it. Really good. So tickets are 20,000. 20,000 each, which is nothing. Just worked out then. Not like three.
Brilliant.
So it's £3.30 for 3 of us to go and see the waterfalls. So 60,000, and then coming on the way out. No, sorry, it was half price for Max. No, I'm telling lies. So it's 50,000. So.
Was you free up the second one? Is that what you said? Or?
Yeah. So what they do is they've kind of like split the waterfall. So you pay 20,000 each at the top. Go down, you get to go in the bottom one. Then you go up the stairs, and there's someone else at a kiosk, and they want another 20,000 off you. And then you go up again, but there's a big club at the top. So when they ask you the money, really, I think not really, because they're stopping people going to the club. People might not even know the club's up there, and they get to go there.
The thing is, when you first go up there, if you've not already been here, it's like a big club and it's absolutely booming in. It's dead busy, everyone's in there, because that's the main one that you can see. So I think everyone just goes in there.
Yeah.
And then people can't be asked going that bit further because they might not even know it's up there. We didn't know it was up there until we got
Better,
up there.
wasn't it?
It was quieter and there was more pools of the view. The view was probably a lot better. We didn't go in the other one because we'd been in the other one, but
So what did we have up there? You had a cocktail, I had a beer, 2 cokes, and it came to
Water.
230,000. So probably
water.
15 quid with that.
which is probably the dearest,
Just hard tax? No, I thought that was hard tax then.
which is probably the most expensive
Yeah.
thing we've paid for since we've been here, but I think you're just paying because where it is.
Yeah. But compared to where you're going somewhere like
And to be
Ibiza.
fair, it was a bit extreme. We didn't need that many drinks. It's just we was all dead thirsty, weren't we? So
But like lovely little buildings. There's all shops selling all stuff as you go in. Some nice stuff as well.
lovely little bag dresses. Hello.
Oh, we've got one
And we've
coming.
got one, thank you.
Thank you. So, yeah, nice.
Okay, Max.